As you can see, my browser has Google AI Studio open, and there's a clean chat area where we'll upload images and type prompts, so nothing fancy yet. This is our starting point. Now we'll explore all the features of Gemini Flash 2.5 Nano Banana in action one by one. Let's start with a simple but powerful use case. So I'm going to ask Nano Banana to read a business card and turn it into clean, structured data. Now I'll upload a business card. This one includes the person's name, job title, company name, phone number, email, and a complete postal address. Nano Banana can automatically read all of this directly from the image. You can see the card thumbnail up here, which means Nano Banana has the image and is ready to process it. So let me write the prompt now. The prompt is, you're an AI assistant using Gemini 2.5 Flash image. I'm uploading a photo of a business card. You need to read all the text on the card and then extract the information into clean, structured JSON with these fields. And the fields are full name, job title, company name, phone number, email, website, address details, which also includes city, state, and postal code, along with the country name. If any field is missing, return it as null. Do not make up details that are not visible on the card. Return only the JSON. No explanation is needed. So this is the prompt. Let me now press enter here. Gemini will now reply with a structured JSON block containing fields like the full name, the role, and the phone number, email address, and the full postal address. Here you can see the extracted JSON. The details exactly match what's on the business card. This shows Nano Banana's ability to read text directly from images with high accuracy and convert visual data into structured, developer-friendly formats without manual typing. Now I'm going to use Nano Banana as a brand guideline checker. So I have 8 marketing creatives, different banners, ads, and social posts. I'll upload them all so Gemini can inspect them side by side. So you have to click inside the prompt box and type the prompt for it. I'm giving it 4 simple rules: brand color, clean logo, readable text, and a professional tone. And then I'm asking it to evaluate each of the 8 images, mark them as compliant or not, and suggest a small fix for any issues. So Gemini will take a moment and then show a table, image 1 through image 8, each with a compliant or not compliant tag and a reason for it as well. Here's the analysis. So for each image, Nano Banana has told whether it follows the brand rules. For example, one of the images uses a wrong company name. It even suggests clean fixes, like correcting the text, improving clarity, or adjusting the color. So what you are seeing is multi-image understanding plus rule-based reasoning. So Nano Banana can look at multiple creatives at the same time, compare them to brand expectations, and return a structured, actionable review, almost like a junior brand manager validating your entire marketing batch. Now let's switch to generation. So we'll ask Nano Banana to design a clean, professional poster from just a text prompt. So click in this prompt box and type the prompt. I'm treating Nano Banana here like a designer. So notice how specific I am with the title, subtitle, date, call to action, color, and layout. I also mentioned that the text has to be sharp and readable because we want a poster we could actually print or share. After a moment, Gemini will generate a set of poster images, usually shown as 2 or 3 options. Now here is the result. The title, AI for Customer Experience, is right at the top, nice and clear. The subtitle's just under it. The date and time were easy to spot in the middle, and the Register Now call to action is clearly visible at the bottom. The colors follow the deep blue and white theme with a bit of orange. The background has subtle textile shapes, but it's not cluttered. So in this use case, as you can see, we're seeing Nano Banana's image generation capability, which turns a detailed text brief into a polished poster, handling layout and hierarchy and rendering readable text directly on the image. Okay, so for the last demo, we'll create a simple network diagram. This is great for students and IT learners who need quick visuals for lab reports. So just click in the prompt box and type the prompt. I'm now treating Nano Banana as a diagram tool. I describe the network in plain language, so 1 internet cloud, 1 router, 1 switch, 3 PCs, and 1 server. I also specify labels, colors, and the general layout. Here's the result. At the top, we have the internet cloud that connects down to the router, then to the switch. So from the switch, you can see 3 student PCs and 1 lab server. All the devices are labeled exactly as we asked. This is a diagram you could drop straight into a lab manual or a project report. So in this final use case, Nano Banana is showing its diagram generation capability, understanding spatial relationships from text, placing multiple objects correctly, and adding readable labels and consistent styling. So in just a few minutes, you saw Nano Banana extract structured data from the business card, review 8 marketing images for brand roles, and also draw a full network diagram. So together, these 4 hands-on demos show how Gemini 2.5 Flash Image can read, reason, and create using images, text, and everything in between.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.